Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the U2U Network airdrop. Now U2U Network is a EVM compatible chain which is based on DeepIn, which is one of the hottest narratives in the crypto right now, and I managed to raise the overall funding of around 10 million US dollars. Now considering this, this should be a decent airdrop, and I will exactly guide you with all the steps that are required in order to farm this airdrop. Now farming this airdrop can be a bit lengthy process, and before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And if you want the crypto content in Hindi or Urdu language, you can subscribe to my another channel, which is Altcoin India Hindi. And I will start uploading videos on this as soon as I'm back in Dubai by end of this month. Now, in order to farm the U2U Network airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go to this U2 quest over here, and the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. Now, once you connect your wallet, you will be given two options in order to add the chain to your MetaMask wallet. So simply select the testnet chain over here and add the testnet chain to your MetaMask wallet. Now, once you do that, you have to complete all of this quest over here. So as you can see, there are some daily quests over here. So the first one is daily quest swap on Graphite Dex over here. Then there is this block fun, and then there are some other quests over here, which is U2U super app quest. Now just to give you the example, like if I show you for example the last quest over here, as you can see I've completed all of this quest. Now all you can do is basically you can go and click on this, and you can go ahead and claim this NFT over here. So simply click on claim AZ over here and wait for a MetaMask to pop up and click on confirm. That means you have minted this NFT. Now you have to complete all the quests over here and get all these NFTs on U2U network. Now in order to farm all these quests, simply go to any quest over here. So for example, if I click on verify, as you can see it's showing this task has not been completed. So in order to complete all these quests over here, first you can go to U2U faucet over here, copy your MetaMask address from here and request for 10 U2U faucet tokens over here, because this U2U tokens would be required for completing all of this quest. Now we'll come back to this quest and I will exactly show you how you can go ahead and complete all this quest over here. But before that, what you can do is you can go to Graphite Dex over here, and the first thing that you can do is once you have U2U tokens in your MetaMask wallet, simply click on trade over here and go ahead and maybe sell 2 U2U tokens to get USDT. Now once you get USDT and U2U, all you can do is basically you can go to farm over here and you can add this to a liquidity pool over here. So as you can see, this one is giving the highest multiplier, which is 100x, whereas this one is giving 70x multiplier. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and added some to the liquidity pool over here, where I can go ahead and stake this on Graphite Dex over here. Now apart from this trading and farming, you can go to staking over here and you can maybe stake one U2U token on Graphite Dex over here. Now once you complete that, you can head back to U2U quest over here, and for example if you want to complete certain quest over here, for example now this one is completed and I have minted this NFT over here. Now we'll go and check the one that are not completed. So for example this one, lock stake U2U. So simply click on this quest over here and once again click on this lock stake U2U over here, and as you can see there is a guideline as to how you can go ahead and complete certain quest over here. So first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to U2 staking over here and then select the staking section. So simply select the staking section over here. Now go to lock tab. Now here you will need to go to lock tab over here and select this validator over here, and as you can see they have mentioned that the minimum amount that you will need to go ahead and lock is 1 U2U. So simply click on 1 over here and click on lock over here. That means this quest would be completed, and within like 10 to 15 seconds you will be able to verify this quest over here. Now I've almost finished my U2U token, so I will request for faucet again maybe after 24 hours, and I will request for some additional U2U tokens over here. So for quest, these two are the daily quests which you will need to complete it daily, and these are some of the quests that you can complete one time and go ahead and mint all of these NFTs. Now, apart from Graphi and all these quests, the last thing that you can do is basically you can go to their Galxe campaigns over here, follow them on Galxe, and you can go ahead and complete all of this task over here, which will give you some points with regards to quest on Galxe on the U2U network. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and actually farm the U2U network airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.